Hello students, in the previous video we studied the concept of Boyle's law. Now let us understand how to solve numericals on Boyle's law. So here are few examples I will solve and explain you people. See, a gas occupies 800 centimeter cube under 760 mm Hg pressure. Now 800 centimeter cube means its volume and this is pressure in mm. We understood the units also last time. Find under what pressure the gas will occupy 380 centimeter cube. The temperature remaining constant means under what pressure means here it is asked that what pressure. Okay, so means you have to calculate this pressure, right? So first we will always write given data. See P1, what is P1? Pressure is 760 mm, okay, and what is the volume? So V1 is 800 centimeter cube. Always write given data with unit. Then what is P2? Pressure you have to calculate, is not given final pressure. And what is final volume? Volume is 380 centimeter cube. So from the question you always write given data and along with the units. Now what is this? According to Boyle's law, okay, what is the relationship between P and V? It is given. The equation which we have to understand is P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2, right? Now what we have to find? We have to find P2. So let us formulate P2. So here P2 is equals to P1 V1 upon V2, right? Now let us here substitute the value. What is P1? P1 is 760. What is V1? V1 is 800 and V2 is 380, right? So when you will cancel this, okay, and calculate, you will see that you are getting here answer 1600 and 1600 will be mm, right? So P2 is equal to 1600 mm Hg, okay, so mm of Hg. This is how you will be solving the numerical. Now let us solve the second numerical. A vessel of capacity 600 centimeter cube contains hydrogen gas at a pressure of 330 centimeter Hg. So this is the pressure and this is the volume. What will be the pressure of hydrogen gas when the vessel is connected? Now see, when the vessel is connected, that time we have to understand. So here we are saying, all of you understand this thing. See, here we have one cylinder, right? Okay. Now this cylinder, initially it is not connected, okay. So the capacity of this first cylinder is 600 centimeter cube, okay. Now it is, okay, another cylinder is also, another cylinder has 300 centimeter cube, okay. So the capacity of this is, now if both are not connected initially, okay, so this one has 600 and another one has 300 centimeter cube capacity. Now when they are connected with each other, then we have to understand what happens. So let us first write the given data. Given data says that V1 is 600 centimeter cube, right? And what is V2? So V2 is this, both we have to take total of this, because when you will connect the vessel, this whole gas will, means this both the containers will occupy, okay. So the gas will occupy both the container and total will be 600 plus 300. So is equals to 900 centimeter cube is the V2. Final volume will be, because vessels are connected, so gas will occupy both the container. Now what is P1? P1 is 330 centimeter, okay. So when this is the volume, this is the pressure, and when this is the volume, what is the pressure? The pressure that we have to calculate. Now what is this? According to Boyle's law, you always have to write the formula, without which you cannot solve. So P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2, right? Now in this case, what is, again we have to calculate P2. So let us write the formula of P2, P1 V1 upon V2. Substitute the values, 330 into 600 upon 900. So this will get cancelled, okay, and then you will have 3 ones are 3 ones are 0 here, 3 threes are 3 ones are 3 twos are. So you are getting 220 centimeter pressure. So P2 is equals to 220 centimeter of Hg. This is the answer, right? So your answer is this. Here this is the answer, right? Now our next numerical is the volume of certain gas at constant temperature was found to be 1400 centimeter cube, right? And when pressure is 1200 mm. So in this case, what is the volume? So volume is 1400 centimeter cube, right? What is the pressure when pressure is 1200 mm? Now the question says if the pressure is decreased by 30%, find the new volume. So we don't know what is V2, but P2 says that P2 final volume pressure is, you have to take, it is decreased. So 1200 pressure is decreased by 30%. So first calculate the 30% of 1200. So is equals to how much? 360, right? But 360 is decreased. So you have to subtract 1200 minus 360. So what is the pressure? 840 mm is the pressure, 2, P2. Okay. Now again, according to Boyle's law, right? What is the Boyle's law? So what is the relation between pressure and volume? P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2, right? So now what is what we have to calculate? We have to calculate V2, right? So V2 is P1 V1 upon P2, and now substitute the value. What is P1? 1200. What is V1? 1400. And then what is P2? We calculated 840. Right. Now when we will cancel it, you will say here 0 0 is cancelled, right? And 12 ones are, 12 tens are here, and 12 six are, right? Sorry, 14. Here we will cancel this. So when you will cancel this over here, 14 ones are, so, and here 14 six are, right? Now we will say 6 ones are, 6 twos are 12, and you will get here. So you are getting answer 2000 centimeter cube. So your final answer is, okay, V2 is equals to 2000 centimeter cube. Clear? Now always when it is decreased by, you calculate that much percent and then you subtract it by. So decrease by 30%. Now let us take next numerical. The volume of certain gas at constant temperature was 1200. So here your volume is 1200 centimeter cube when the pressure was 840 mm. So here P1 is 840 mm, right? Then if the volume is decreased to, we are saying here decreased to, so directly it is decreased. Okay, so we will say here V2 is, okay, 1200, right? And it is decreased to 60%. So let us see what is the 60% of 1200. It is 720. So it is 720 centimeter cube. So when it is decreased to, directly it is decreased to 60%. Whatever the value is coming, that you have to take. And here when it is decreased by 30%, so when it is by 30% means 70% you have to take. 30% is decreased. So you have to subtract over here, right? Now what is P2? P2 you have to find. Now again, according to Boyle's law, P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. Now let us have the formula of P2. P2 is P1 V1 upon V2, right? So substitute the value 1200, okay, V1 is 1200 and P1 is 840 upon 720, right? So when you have to do this, let us calculate here 12, 0 0 is cancelled, so 1200 here and 6 times, and here 6 is here 14, okay. So you are getting 1400 mm pressure. So your answer is P2 is equals to 1400 mm of Hg. So this is how it is to be calculated. Okay students, thank you.